Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Series 3 in River Rock with head-up display, QUADRA lift air suspension, 22-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.0-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7860.